In this video, I will discuss my top 3 stocks on my watch list and my top 3 stocks that I'm buying tomorrow. These stocks have the potential of 20 to 50% gain in the coming days or weeks. I'll provide you a quick overview of the technical analysis, stock price prediction, and news catalysts that are driving up the price actions. I will also provide an update on the quantum finance small account and see how well it has done. So you probably want to watch all the way to the end of the video, so stick around. Sawasdee krap, that's hello in Thai, and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony, and I'm a former engineer and data analytics turned entrepreneur and investor. My prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio, and in the past 12 months, grew it more than 550%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow this channel by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit and like and share the video. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. I'm going to provide a very high overview of the stocks as I want to cover them as quickly and as short to the point as possible. I want to state that I'm not being paid by any of the stocks mentioned in this video or in any of my videos. Also, this is not a buy or sell recommendation. Please do your own DD or due diligence and buy at your own risk. So here we go. First up on my watch list is Bionanogenomics or BNGO. It closed on Friday at $13.70. It was up $2 or a total of 17% gain on 122% of normal trading volume. It traded in the lower level of the Bollinger Bandwidth. MACD lines are about to cross for the bullish signal. RSI is rising into the overbought territory, but don't expect any sell-off anytime soon. It did confirm the breakout level on Friday when it crossed at $13.65. I anticipate a spike tomorrow. My price target is $17 or $19 range. The news catalyst that's causing the spike is that BNGO optical genome mapping system gained access to the largest oncology market. This is potentially a game-changing healthcare technology. BNGO will be presenting at the BTIG Virtual MedTech, Digital Health, Life Science, and Diagnostic 2 conference this February 18, 2021. I do have to disclose that I do own BNGO for the long-term hold. Next up is Zomedica or ZOM. On Friday, it closed down to $2.57. It lost 9 cents or 3.38%. Sell-off was due to profit taking. This was based on a low volume at 57% of normal trading volume. Its MACD is still very bullish and its RSI is still in the overbought territory. It formed a hangman candlestick pattern on Friday inside the pennant triangle formation. So I'm anticipating a spike to break out from its triangle formation tomorrow. Also, watch for a breakup above the $2.93 level. If confirmed, the price target is $4 to $4.50 level. The news catalyst that's affecting the price is that they're launching their new product this March 30th, 2021. I do have to disclose that I own ZOM and is considering of increasing my position by cost averaging in. Next is Healthier Choice Management or HCMC. On Friday, it closed at 4.25 cents. It was down 0.07 cents or 14.14%. It traded in a volume surge of 681% of the normal volume. It was profit-taking day as it formed a long bearish candlestick pattern. If you're looking to get in, you might want to wait for a while as it might dip and could potentially bounce off the 0.34 cent support level. If this does not hold, it will continue its downward trend to the next support level at 0.26 cents. However, its MACD is still very bullish. RSI is decreasing but still in the overbought territory. News catalyst is that it recently had a $5 million stock offering and that is suing Philip Morris for patent infringement. If they win the case, this will be big for the company as they could negotiate for a licensing deal that would benefit HCMC for the long haul. So this one is a very risky stock but with high reward. Of course, if they win the case, this could potentially spike the stock to the $1 range. I do not have any position in this stocks and I'm watching for a potential dip to enter with a small position. Okay, for next week, I will be trading my position on Switchback Energy Acquisition or SBE and XPEV or XPEV. So what are my reasons for trimming SBE and XPEV? 1. To free up capital. 2. SBE merger didn't get enough vote. 3. I'm too heavy in the EV segment and want to diversify into cannabis and blockchain segment. And lastly, these two stocks are one of my worst performing stocks in my portfolio. With the proceeds, I will be buying into Bevcana Enterprise or BVNNF. This is a Canadian company. They develop and manufacture cannabis-infused beverages and consumer products for in-house in-house brands and white label clients. I recently made a video on this yesterday, so I don't want to talk too much about it in this video, but you can click the link below to watch that video. Note that BVNNF Enterprise is traded on the Canadian Stock Exchange under BEV stock ticker and BVNNF on the OTC for USA market and 7BC on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Yesterday, which was Monday in Germany, 7BC spiked up 96% on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. It closed up 50% at €1.15. Note that BVNNF did not trade yesterday on the OTC as well on a national holiday. Key news catalysts are: 1. They recently did a stock offering to improve their balance sheet and sold its share at a 40% premium above Friday's trading price. Secondly, they acquired Naturo Group, where they gained access to over 3,000 distribution points domestically and internationally. And lastly, on Friday, they were awarded the cannabis processing license under the Canadian Health. These are huge news catalysts for the BVNNF stock price action. Also, be on the lookout for a breakout. If the breakout is confirmed above the 98 cents level, I do anticipate this stock to spike up tomorrow to the $1.50 to $2 level. Long term, I see this stock being a $7 to $10 stock easily by the end of the year. I do think this is a 10x bagger, and it is a long-term hold for me. This stock will supercharge up your portfolios for sure. So be sure to watch your video by clicking the link below. This was launched yesterday on BVNNF. The next stock I will be buying is Tesoro Enterprise, or TSNP, which is merging with Humble. They're a blockchain company in the fintech realm that has launched the ETX and Humble digital cash app, targeting the underserved segment and emerging markets. Again, I won't discuss the DD in detail in this video, but do go watch the TSNP/Humble video for my detailed DD analysis. You can click the link below in the description. I've been waiting for TSNP to pull back after its massive parabolic rise. Its MACD is decreasing, but I anticipate this to change this week. Its RSI is also decreasing, but still in the overbought territory. It formed a descending pennant triangle, so I'm anticipating that it will have a breakout of its triangle formation. Do watch out for a breakout above the $1.93 level. If confirmed, this will run to the $2.50 to $3.50 level. As this is a long-term hold, I plan to just accumulate at this price, as I do not think that we'll see it being at this price any much longer. I can see this become a $5 to $6 stock. I actually think the price prediction is conservative, as it could go even higher. This is another 10x bagger for sure. Lastly, I plan to buy SOS Limited, or SOS. I bought SOS last week and plan to increase my position by cost averaging in. SOS is a blockchain and crypto mining company. I believe they are undervalued compared to Marathon Group, or MARA, M-A-R-A. So this is a great value. Recent news catalyst that's driving up the stock price is that they recently had a secondary direct offering at a 21% discount for $110 million. They plan to use the money to expand their operations, pay off their debts, increase their mining capacity, etc. It had 2 days massive run up on Thursday and Friday. It closed at $7.44. It was up $1.12 or 17.72%. This was on an 891% volume surge. It is trading its upper Bollinger bandwidth, with its MACD still being very bullish. RSI is rising in overbought territory. I do anticipate it to continue its run and might pull back a little bit. So if you're patient, you can get in when it dips. As for me, I plan to get in tomorrow regardless of the dip or not, as this is a long-term hold for me, meaning I'm willing to ride out the volatility for the long run. With the increased awareness and acceptance of Bitcoin, crypto, and blockchain, I can see this stock grow to $25 easily and possibly to $35 and $40 stock by end of year. Do note that it is trading in parallel to Bitcoin as a mining stock. Okay, let's recap on the quantum finance small account play. I actually forgot to update everyone last week. In any case, we started out with 500 and it is now worth $570.78. At one point, it was up over $600. I did sell BNGO and got into Orbital Energy, or OEG, and Just Energy, JE. I realized that BNGO was increasing its price, but wanted to diversify my overall portfolio, as I already have between 1 to 2,000 shares of BNGO in my other portfolio. Anyway, first up is Orbital Energy, or OEG. Right now it's trading sideways, but I do anticipate a breakout above the $9.70 level. If it is confirmed, it will reach the $12.50 to $13.50 level. This will be my exit point for OEG. Next is Just Energy, or JE. I may have prematurely entered in this position. I was thinking it might trade sideways, consolidate, and build its base before its next run up. In any case, my exit point for this trade is in the range of $10 to $11.50. Let me know what you think of the stocks on my watch list and the stocks that I'm buying and selling. Also, let me know if there's other stocks that you would like to share with the quantum finance community, or any stocks that I may have missed out that you think that I should be watching on my watch list. Much much appreciated. So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some moolahs.